Hi, hope you are doing great. In today's video, we will learn how to automate WhatsApp using Selenium Python, send message, send file, both message and file. In today's video, I will cover send message only. First, let's see the demo, then we will move towards the code section. So here is the Excel file. In column A number, you will put number. In message, your message you want to send. Here I put one number for demo, you can put more. And before running the script, make sure if already open Chrome instant, then close it. I have, so I am closing it. Now running the code. So you will see it will open our default Chrome browser. Now you can see message sent. If you like this video, subscribe my channel and Chrome close. It's me send message successfully. So let me clear this. Now let's see the code. So let me explain it step by step. So before this, you have to download Chrome driver. How you will? So open Chrome browser and here type Chrome colon /version. So you will see this. Here you can see my Chrome version is 104. So check out your Chrome version, then open new tab and download Chrome driver according to it. So I am typing here download Chrome driver. I will share this link in description also. So here you can see showing different versions. So my one is, you can see 104. So I will select this one. Then here I'm using Windows, so I will select this option. And now it's download. So you can see here in my download folder, here is it. You have to just unzip and paste it here, this file chrome driver.exe. Then after it, you have to change this path. You can see this according to your Chrome version. So here is it showing, like you can see profile path. So from here till user data, you have to paste it here and make sure that single slash, you can see here, is replaced by double slash. You can see here I put here double slash, and here profile directory is equal to profile1. In my case, you can see after this here is showing profile1. Select the one showing for your profile and replace it this profile according to your profile name, maybe default, profile2, etc. Now after it, once this done, so this is the default code, don't need change. It is just for reading the data from this file. So here it will visit each number one by one, and here you can see where to page load. So this is the X path of, let me show you. This input, you can see here type a message. So this is the input box X path. So I apply while loop to wait page load fully. Once it's done, then it will text the message, and then time.sleep just for working fine. Then this loop will be break, and the button, this one, like let's suppose I'm putting here testing, so you can see this button. So this is the X path, send message button. Click, then it will click, and time.sleep 5 seconds. It will send the message. If you have any query, then ask in comment section. If you like this video, kindly share it, subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching the video.